Etie for Memamunia Akwaba eba Melodies TV. So now you run New Year we expected not to be hearing things like this, but unfortunately no. Nipa de adwenya wofano na nkrofo so with different plans. Answer better us on subscribe and click the notification bell on so and no and the screen so see we understand latest news be about once ebeka as we are moving on, as we are talking. So actual intimacy. Subscribe here now. Just leave a subscription for us and click on the notification bell. Sana latest news we about once I can. It's here for quickly. So and some of the bro free a year North East Gonja and North East Gonja. Na inkura me bobo dino a yenkrobia emodu. Mesre mambo dini ya monfa encheme. And that me ne woka say ya bo nkrofo mienu bitua yeku omo ya abakon eda critical condition mu ewo Temale Teaching Hospital na DSC ye ninani eye chieftaincy dispute na trese wo mokon ewo ahenie ensem eho ewo kuro bi so a ye frɛ no Chogu na Kura a kuro no eye farming community eben another kuro bi a ye frɛ no Baibusi a ewo North East Gonja district of the Savannah region. Etie for him se krona mabobo de ne mu ehu krona nkasa ade ne si ye na Chogu na Kura eye farming community krobia omo a wamote so no adwuma ye beka se wo mu ni na and most of them eye no eye kwie adwuma wo mo edo na assembly ni from the sources no there yatse and said the dispute actually happened somewhere in 3 years ni na kasakasa no ehya ase se ACR and ensembonea yatse and say ya bongrofo mienu tua yeku omo ya na any send me dinga tell no the dispute is over who is the right chief but yes here will be receiving royalties because what happens ne say when the crowd were ye hinne e was asase ne so no ana e was akuro ne so no de ye ne say time bi so a ya wo mo ekoje royalty. I don't know how royalties no wo mo jimi nim say bia every month and at the end of every year we say then you we actually don't know if it sounds say eho ekura wo mo don nti no ohene no ya wo je royalties every nkrofo ho they say bia wo say de wo don no at the end of the years at the end of the months bia wo portion bia e wo say wo de koma wo hene ya de a esi wo share asante man asante hene a nkrobi wo ho a ya among so sa wo de royalties gold ene nyama ebre eye asante hene tete ahenie mre no sa na ete se krobi ebe konkawa. That's what you do. Eya wo ho na mo ebia mu kro no mo mine diamond na gold na we ya eya na mo the royalties akọ. So this thing is actually still happening. E was akro ne so na the say na say 3 years ago ni e na tre say wo mo say abrantie bi so wo free o wo mo ba ga me say wo no aka say kotwa asase e san say ekuro no eye kuro bi a nsase a ewo ho no wo mo de doninti abrantie bi anga say kotwa asase a wo tre say wo no so wasi ne hen wasi ne ho henne e wo say ekuro ne so iti the traditional chief owo won e kura kroni ni na amamra bibia e hye ne nsase wo no ne henne no wo no wo ho wo mo ba hwa abrantie bi wo se me de me ho me betwa asase wei eye me de me simia me ho henne e wo ha sei abrantie ne nso nkrofo bi wo ho a wo mo support no na wo mo te the community ne te say abrantie no e be yes ade wei nkrofo sorry tia na ka say ade a wo yei e de asembe badaache. So people from the traditional council actually advised the guy say de wo yei jai was a hair and hene menti ase we si ne ho hene etiefo iti assemblyman ne kra e de asem no aba beto yenim na wo si ne ho hene no e na trese wo enskin it was from the southern part of the country. Most of us know what we do is we install chiefs not to say ahemfo no ye de omo etena ebia ekonwa so ene ne fe no install na the northern part no mo de omo ye say the ensking not to say ahemfo no de eyo motena so na akoye say ebia abo ebia yeyi ne honam ebia jata bi honam enti ene ne fe no ensking enti abranche ensking ne wono ankasa ne ho as a chief. And the overlord of the area said no, that can't happen. Enti afiaso the overlord of the area eko akwaje ne royalties as usual. Eya ade bia every eya mamra eda ho, you have no right say wo beka say oh ohene ne beji royalties so wo ma no da bi eya ade a ense eya mamra eda ho a wo bia eti ase e wo sa akro ne so ohene ne eko say wo kwaje ne royalties a abranche ye ne nkrofo say he ehene ha mo hene ne yembu no yenhu ne say wo ye hene yembu no hu ne say wo ye hene nti ye mpene kra ye fa royalties bia e ma no say eh no more tibida what better na me masa so major royalties also for royalties bi ama me nti obviously ejuma bi sa no enye hene no ene bedi wo beso man krofo nti ngofo hene ne so man no omo ba to hene no ekobo amane se hene yakọ ye se ni se na CEO mo so wo mo man e na hene ka se he wo se onye den mu kopio mu kwaji wo mu nko masa ono bada ben ni wo betina masa so aka se wo man royalty mu nko na embra nkrofo no esanso ko back no se oni kra wakoti asase ne esi ne hu hene no woni ne nkrofo afọmo ho adwen wo mu hu se hene ne nkrofo abelande ana afi wo mo twitwituo esi wo mo so na tese nkrofo de di come for joke wo mo amba so medi agro wo mu twitwituo esi ohene ne ene ne nkrofo ne so afi bete epeo enese ebia wo mu shutu and they say there were more warning shots. Can I say, oh, maybe they were just doing that to scare Ohene Nkrofo? No, they did it like real, like Wamu, like attacking the people themselves. It's you know, for fear and to attack Emma Ekokan Nkrofo 3 and 2 instantly. I will move who ever ho. Bako and Namine Okasei. Senyankompong ana ala and bemoa. Just say, one also ever than any media to send the other 2 colleagues. No. Etiefo eno ene asema eda ho na obviously they be ameka yesterday I was speaking about something me mamoti say this is how war happens bibi say esi no ohene no a wasoma ne nkrofo no ekoye no wasoma nkrofo akọ nkrofo no hyenensa ena nkrofo yakoma obi akobo omutuo ofi say hene no den no beye se watena se na asemwe ebi awan retaliate what do you think ohene nankasa mpo ne nkrofo beka omeka say ye hene die na koma nya den ye hene die obote kradodo na wo wasoma nkrofo na chese ye koku nsa nkrofo na what you have to do is to retaliate. That's what a lot of people will say to the chief. It is hene ne say we to dey share ne ho den na wo ma comment we ni akofa na obon so wono nso akosoma nkrofo say mo nko sa akoro ni so enko bobo nkrofo tuo obon say adane war. That's how war begins. It's the assemblyman of the area Yefeno Al-Hassan Haruna what then said na abetuja say no one has actually been arrested yet because womo yomo adwen say na komo kobo police for amane but ekuro wankasa no network ni ho enti embra ade ni si no na womo pese womo frɛ police we ka tro mo say mo mbra ha but network ni kuro ne so. I don't know whether the reason he's giving is just a lame reason or not. But many will say, "Ebi awa wuti me won't say akro so. Womo muti kro so na eka. Say network in you hunt. Won't to me ankobo police for na man. Them say the police poster a year close to them ewa. Inti aje wo frɛ police for no. Etie for. Hey. Eye adie bia ya nhwe so anka. Ana police for anhwe so anko ho ntemo a ebetumi de basabasa yo aba pa. Ebetumi de basabasa yo aba. Now, I want you to share your thoughts on this. All I want to say is the other chief no Mesreno Assembly he shouldn't take matters into his hands because Assembly immediately say assembly ebema say wono krate ye na ebia ne buefu say wono asoma ebia ne nkola say womo nkodi ejuma de bia womo di na womo akọ ema obi akọbọ omutuo a wono nim nipa kwa wabọ ne tuo eye hene bia nka wono nso besoma say yenko bosa nkrofo ne tuo ba mesre let's make the police handle this. We are in the new year. Enough of these stories. I mean we actually need to be far done with these stories. Montreal Madrid, our comment box in for me. That's it.